How to make money on YouTube without showing your face or voice. In this video, I'm going to talk about the people are making how to make video on YouTube without showing your face or a voice or without recording your videos. Also, I want to try it out and let you know guys what happens. Before we get into the video, if you are new to my channel, subscribe, press the bell icon. Don't forget to like our videos. If you want to win a £10 PayPal money, watch the video until the end. Also, we make videos on money making, money saving and tutorials. We upload one video every other day, so don't forget to subscribe and like our video. So this is a long result. So beginning with, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do in order to make money on YouTube without showing my face or voice or recording anything. So I'm gonna start the test from today and let you know if it's successful or not. So what I am targeting for this a campaign, or you can say, if you go to Google and type a meditation music, or YouTube go to meditation music, there's lots of meditation music coming up. So for example, if I go there and I type meditation music, so if I type a meditation, the first thing comes the meditation music and the mind and body. So people listen to the music while working or studying, sleeping. So there's a lots of channels is doing that. You can see if I type that, all of the new channels that doing a live stream, the 10,000 people, 3,000 people are watching it. And if you come down the bottom, there's some videos have 142 millions, some of them have 200 millions. Those views only get for the big music videos, but these videos are getting big views. Again, you need to have a big followers and everything, but it's easy to do. Anyone can do it. It works worldwide, so you don't have to worry about that, and you don't have to invest any money at all. So this experiment, I'm gonna test it out how this works. So beginning with, I don't want to just go there and do meditation music. So you can't compete with these channels because they are creating content for a very long time, and they have used those keywords over and over again. So when you go to YouTube and type meditation, their video is coming in the first. Your videos can't be coming in the first because you are new channels. So I went to Google and typed relaxing music category. These all different categories coming, like ambient music, new age music, chill out music, light music, romantic music, lullabies or something like that. So what you can do is, instead of meditation music, you can target one of those things and heavily creating video on one of this category that you can dominate on this category. So for the sake of video, I am going with ambient music. So if you go to YouTube and type meditation music, basically ambient music, and this video is popped up. It's only published on July 2020, that around 2.5 months ago, but it's already getting around 190,000 views. You can see it from here, and they have a subscriber rate is 135,000. So basically what they talk about, what they created is a deep focus music, 3 hours ambient study music, for better concentration and memory. So you can actually copy this entire music but make it yourself. So don't copy this entire video, because you're gonna get copyright strike from this creator if you copy this entire same videos. You can just download this video and re-upload it back. You definitely get copyright strike. Second, if you don't have a permission for those music, if you don't give any credit to the creator, you get copyright strike. So I'm gonna show you the way that you can avoid all of them. So for example, if you want to use this music in your video, you need to know what music they are used in the video. So what you have to do, pause this video and go to Google and install an extension called ARC Cloud. If you type that, it will come up this video. So if I click play this video again and load this Google extension, and it will show you what music is playing in the background. The music is called True Journey by Joseph Beck. So this is the actual music name that playing on this video, so you know what music is now. What you have to do is go to SoundCloud and type the name of the song. So I already typed that find it out for you guys. It's a name of the song is True Journey by Joseph Berg. If you click that name, and you can see that it's like a social media, SoundCloud is like a social media, so you can see he create a couple of music that if you want you can follow them. And you can say you can't use the SoundCloud music, you definitely get copyright strike. Yes, you 100% you get copyright strike without a creator permission. That's why what you have to do, you have to send a message to this creator. So you click this mail button here, and this message is pop up. So what you have to do, copy this message. I write it personally used. If you don't want it, you can write anything you want. So for example, hey there, loving the music, really great stuff. I was wondering, are we able to use this YouTube video? We don't monetize that yet, but we might monetize our videos in the future. I'm also more happy to credit you in the description of each video. Let me know, is it okay? What you have to do, you copy that music and go send all the created on your niche, which means if you are using ambient music, go to here and SoundCloud and type ambient music. Is a genre. As you can see, this is a creator creating music for ambient category. You can see all of the music related to ambient music. So what you can do is you can follow that. I already following that. You can send the message. I already sent the message. I didn't get any reply back, but you can do that. So you can go to select each category that you want, find the music creators on SoundCloud and send the message. I sent a couple of them. One of them said, okay, no problem, you can use the music on my videos, and leave them a credit for them. Now what you do, now you know all the categories that you want to use for YouTube videos, which category in relaxing music you want to use, or which niche. Second, you find the similar videos or similar YouTube channel on that niche. You have to subscribe and follow them. Second, you identify the music they're using on their video. And fourth, you identify the creators on SoundCloud and you get the permission for them. So you send that message to lots of creators. A couple of them will contact you back and say give the permission. So you have to contact more of them, just not 1, 2, 20, 50 is fine. Then what you have to do, go to this website. I can't pronounce that properly, and you have to paste the SoundCloud link there, and you can download. How you can get the SoundCloud link? So if you click the share button and this give that link, so copy that, paste it here, and you can download this music in MP4 file. So the sixth thing what you have to do, go to Pixabay or any royalty free video website and download video, because it's a relaxing music. I'm going nature, so you can download not one or couple of them is fine. In order to keep the viewers in your videos, you need to keep their attention time, you need to keep their focus. They have to be in your video, otherwise they will click off and go to watch something else. So just don't put one picture and the music. My idea is uploading, if you are making 1 hour videos, you need to have at least 30 to 40 videos, because those videos are 10 second 20 second long. So 30 to 40 videos, so they're playing, each time they're playing different videos, so viewers gonna keep watching your video. So you can do that. So you're going to download a bunch of those things here. It's free, they are high quality 4K quality videos, so download that. Then go to your video editing software. I'm using Wondershare. I already made a video about the free video editing softwares. I put the card there, so if you can't afford this one, you can download either one of them and that work fine. So you have to do, load that music, upload that picture, then copy and paste that music. If you want to make 1 hour video, it's fine. 2 hour, 3 hour video is fine. Even you can make a 10 hour video. Then you can use OBS Studio and to do the live streams for 10 hours. You can get more views and watch time from those videos, guys. So you can do whatever that you want, because you can make a videos without showing your face or voice or recording, and this will only take less than 1 hour to do it. Then after you edit the videos, after you render the videos, what you have to do, go back to the YouTube video that you want copied from and copy exactly the same title, change it a little bit, because you can remove deep focus music 3, you can remove that and say it deep focus music, you can remove that and say it 1 hour of ambient study music for better concentration and memory, something like that. Then go back to the description, again copy the entire description, remove the link, don't just copy the link, remove the link, put your YouTube link. Also on the bottom, go to the SoundCloud, hit the creator name and upload it here as a credit to them. Also, if you want to go a little bit further, you can credit each of the fixes for that videos also, so you can support them, something like that. Okay, after that we have to go to tag section here, copy the tags, and that's it guys. You can upload 1 video per day or you can upload 3 videos per week, whatever you can. Is it possible to you, because it only requires 1 hour work. And this in this way that you can make a passive income from YouTube. And this is the first experiment I want to do. Already created YouTube channels, I already have a plan for the YouTube videos, so I'm going to upload this video and let you know in the future if the channel is growing or not. Thanks guys for watching, see you in next video.